In today's video, I will unbox this XP-Pen Deco 03 pen tablet. Let's unbox it and see what is inside. This is the Deco 03. The plastic covering. We'll open this plastic covering out. So wrapped in simple plastic, throw it away, and then we can slide it out. So this is the box, and it's so nice. It feels nice. Here is the pen tablet. It's wrapped in. Let's see what else there. So this is the pen tablet, and there is an instruction manual. And along with the instruction manual, there are certain cables and all. Let's open up. It comes with an instruction manual, warranty policy, and there is this Type-C to USB Type-A connecting cable. And of course there is one gloves, which is an anti-static glove. Okay, so these are the content, and there is one important thing left. This is the stylus. So here is the USB connector, which will help in getting the stylus connected using Wi-Fi. And you can see there are certain tips, pen tips, and there is this stylus pen. Let's put it aside. And this is the stylus pen, and it has got 8 pen nibs. It has got 8 number of pen nibs. Let's get our tablet out of the cover. So this is the pen tablet. It looks nice, and there is a small film which says remove the film or peel off the film before use. Let's remove this protective cover. Okay, so there's the protective cover. Let's remove it, and we can connect the cable. We can connect the cable using this USB connector, and I will use this adapter. To connect to my MacBook. Okay, this is the setup which we can plug into the MacBook or PC, and then we can install the drivers for the tablet and use it. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.